Hey guys, if you're a carpet cleaner, in this video I'm going to share with you some tips to improve your leads from Google, right? Whether you're doing SEO or Google Ads, I'm going to share with you some tips that will help you convert visitors into actual customers, okay? And by the way, we've been working with carpet cleaning companies all over the US, Canada, and even worldwide. So we understand this industry, and I'm going to share with you tips based on my experience, right? Based on the issues that I've seen with previous clients. So let's get started. The first tip that I want to give you guys is your landing page. You need to keep it simple, but to the point, right? I noticed way too many carpet cleaning companies overwhelm their visitors with too much information on the landing page, right? This is an example of what I call a simple, to the point landing page. Simply spotless carpet and upholstery cleaning LLC. Call now for an immediate service, same day service, affordable, free estimate, and then a call to action, which is the phone number. This tends to work very well on mobile and desktop. It responds to the user's initial search, right? If you're searching for a carpet cleaning company and you're based in the same city, in this case I think it's Chicago, then this is it. This is the company does exactly what you were looking for, right? And then you have information about the company, services offered, and then a call to action form. Some pictures, granted, it could be improved a little bit. I would add some reviews to this page. I would add some real photos from their cleaning job, maybe photos of the staff of the truck they use. I could make it better, right? I don't think this landing page is perfect, but it's good enough. It's better than a lot of other carpet cleaning companies that I've seen, right? The most important part of your landing page is what we call the hero headline and the sub headline, right? In this case, they're using simply spotless carpet and upholstery cleaning. You can use something like, breathe easy. With our carpet cleaning services, we remove allergens, we remove pet hair. That way you're responding to a lot of different audiences that care about different things, right? People that have pets, that's their main worry, is that there's too much pet hair on their carpets. And people that have allergies, they won't clean carpets because they don't want the allergens in the air they breathe, right? So you can respond to these two groups of people in your headline and sub headline and in your bullet points as well. But yeah, the best call to action is either a phone number or request free estimate button that links to a form like this. Don't overwhelm your user with too many buttons to click. Just maximum 2 buttons. Ideally 1, I would say. But if you want to do 2 buttons, like one for calling and one for filling out a form, that's totally fine. Okay? So another example right here that I want to show you. In this case, they're using a video, high quality video showing the cleaning process. This is extremely effective. If you can film a video like this of your team at work cleaning a carpet, that's one of the best strategies, because people see it immediately when they land on your homepage, on your landing page, and they see that you're a real company and that you're using professional equipment. That raises trust levels a lot. Again, in this case, they have 2 calls to action, a call button and a get an instant quote button. That's good. Information about the company, the services, why choose us. Yeah, all the services about us. This is, I assume, is either the CEO or the founder, our clients. So this is another good landing page that you can use. Again, I don't see reviews here. I would add that. I would add a section at the top showing like maybe a carousel or like a slider showing all the reviews from Google Ads or Yelp or Trustpilot or the BBB, whatever you have your reviews hosted at. I think that could make this landing page even better. I would also add like a headline in the middle here, something short, just to basically, let people know that you're a carpet cleaning company in their city and that you can help them clean their carpets. So that's what I would add if I was this company. So yeah, overall great landing page. Let's look at another one here. So this is a very cool headline here. Tired of looking at those dirty carpets, right? That resonates with anybody looking for a carpet cleaning company, right? Very good headline, very good sub headline as well. Get award-winning, fast and affordable services. service for the deep down clean you've been waiting for, right? Very good headline and very good sub-headline. It stresses on the fact that it's award-winning, that it's fast, and that it's affordable. So 3 things that people care about. Yeah, another one that I want to show you here. This one uses, strategies that's been used for hundreds of years, right? When you use the picture of a pretty person laying on a carpet, you're obviously going to resonate with a lot of users. Everyone loves a clean carpet. Call to action form. I would actually add, I don't know, I see it right here. I was going to say they missed the call button, but I see it here at the top, so that's good. So yeah, another great landing page. And in this case, they do have testimonials, which is good. The other landing pages didn't have it. And yeah, this is the last one I want to show you. This is more of a template that I found online, but yeah, intensive care for your precious rugs and carpets. Think of somebody that has a very expensive Persian rug. This resonates with them, right? They want to work with a company that understands that they have an expensive, high value rug or carpet, and they want a company that's going to take care of it and that's going to basically treat it with utmost care, and understand that it's not just your average carpet, right? So there you go, guys. Your landing page is literally the most important part of your online marketing, right? Whether you're doing SEO, Google Ads, social media marketing, I don't care what type of marketing you're doing. All your users are going to end on your landing page. So if your landing page doesn't, isn't optimized to convert those visitors into sales, into customers, then you're just going to be wasting traffic, right? Your conversion rate is going to be very low, and your ROI won't be there. All right, so guys, if you want to improve your results from Google Ads, if you want a professional agency to handle your account, consider booking a free consultation with us here at Little Dragon Media. Again, we've been doing this for 20 years. We work with a lot of companies in the cleaning space, so we understand this industry inside and out. And we have a flat fee model, month to month, no commitment. So yeah, feel free to use the link below to book a free consultation with us, or just pick up the phone and give us a call, and we'll see whether or not we can help you. All right, thank you for watching. You have a good day.